Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best Drawing Kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools for aspiring artists and seasoned professionals alike, offering a comprehensive collection of essential supplies designed to bring your creative visions to life with ease and precision. Whether you're sketching your first masterpiece or adding intricate details to a complex illustration, this kit provides everything you need to explore your artistic potential and elevate your craft to new heights. Number 5. All the Things, How to Draw Books for Kids. Looking for a fun and engaging activity for your child? Our How to Draw book series is designed to spark creativity and build confidence. From roaring dragons and magical unicorns to sweet cupcakes and speedy cars, this book covers a wide variety of exciting subjects. Each page offers simple, easy-to-follow instructions. Your child will be creating masterpieces in no time, with clear visuals guiding every stroke. This series is perfect for kids who love to draw and want to improve their skills. It's a fantastic way to keep them entertained and learning. Give the gift of imagination and artistic exploration. It's more than just a drawing book, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Bring home the joy of drawing and watch your child's artistic talents flourish. Order your How to Draw book today. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of fun drawing themes for kids. If you are looking for a way to keep your child entertained with diverse creative projects, this is a great choice. It's perfect for young artists who enjoy drawing various subjects. What people say. This book has a great variety of simple and exciting things to draw. It keeps things simple enough that kids can do it without getting frustrated. The book is made with high-quality thick paper, has simple steps, and fun things to draw. Most, all, drawings also have a little fun fact next to them. I am terrible at drawing, but I can follow this, as can my 5-year-old, so it's something we can both have fun with at the same time. Number 4. H&B 40-piece Professional Sketch Pencil Drawing Kit. Discover the H&B 40-piece Professional Sketch Pencil Drawing Kit. This complete artist kit is designed to bring your creative visions to life. Experience the durable pencil lead that provides smooth, clean lines. Erasing is a breeze, ensuring your work stays pristine. Crafted from natural wood and non-toxic graphite, this set is safe for both kids and adults. Enjoy your art without worry. Its portable and lightweight design makes it easy to take your creativity anywhere. This compact 40-piece set fits perfectly in your pencil case. Whether you're an amateur, a student, or a seasoned professional, this kit is ideal for all your sketching needs. This comprehensive art kit includes graphite, charcoal, pastels, an eraser, a sharpener, and more. It truly has everything for all your sketching requirements. What we like. This is a comprehensive drawing and sketching kit suitable for all levels. If you are a beginner looking for a complete set of tools or a student needing portable art supplies, this kit has you covered. Its non-toxic materials also make it a safe option for younger aspiring artists. What people say. Has almost everything you need minus a drawing board and paper. The case they come in is sturdy and well organized, and there are a wide range of drawing tools, a variety of pencils, sharpeners, eraser, sandpaper for sharpening, paper cones for blending, etc. The 39 items in the case are as follows: 12 sketch drawing pencils, 8B, 6B, 5B, 4B, 3B, 2B, B, HB, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, 4 willow charcoal, in the box, 3 charcoal rods, soft medium hard, 3 graphite rods, soft medium hard, 1 graphite pencil, 6B soft, 3 charcoal pencils, soft medium hard, 4 pastel pencils, black, sepia, red brown, gray, 1 double-headed pencil extension, 2 paper stumps, used for blending, 1 metal tool, a tiny box cutter, 1 sandpaper, for cleaning your paper. Stumps, 2 erasers, a regular white one and a gray kneaded one, 2 pencil sharpeners. Number 3. All the Animals, How to Draw Books for Kids. Are you ready to bring your favorite animals to life on paper? This book is your perfect guide to drawing a variety of amazing creatures. Learn to draw adorable dogs and charming cats with simple, step-by-step instructions. You'll be creating lifelike pets in no time. Venture into the wild and master the art of drawing majestic lions and playful dolphins. Discover the secrets to capturing their unique features. Designed specifically for kids, this series makes drawing fun and accessible. Even beginners can create impressive artwork. From common companions to exotic beasts, this collection offers a wide range of animals to draw. Expand your artistic horizons with every page. Grab your pencils and let the drawing begin. This book is packed with everything you need to start your creative journey. What we like. This product focuses specifically on drawing animals in simple steps. If your child loves animals and wants to learn how to draw them easily, this is the perfect resource. It's designed for beginners who want to master animal illustrations. What people say. The kit includes a variety of drawing tools like pencils, charcoal, and blending stumps, offering a comprehensive set for beginners. The instruction booklet is clear and easy to follow, guiding users through basic sketching techniques and shading. The paper quality is good, thick enough to handle different mediums without bleeding through. Number 2. How to draw animals in simple steps. Ever wanted to draw amazing animals but didn't know where to start? This guide breaks down the process into easy, manageable steps. You'll be creating your own animal masterpieces in no time. Forget complicated techniques. We focus on simple shapes and clear instructions to help you capture the essence of any animal. See how easy it can be to bring your drawings to life. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, these simple steps are designed for everyone. Learn the fundamentals and build your confidence with each stroke. Love dogs, cats, or majestic wildlife? This guide covers a variety of popular animals, showing you exactly how to draw them. Get ready to impress yourself and others with your new abilities. Take your time and follow along with our clear, step-by-step instructions. Practice makes perfect, and this resource provides the perfect foundation for your artistic journey. Start drawing today. What we like. This kit is designed for beginners, especially kids, to easily get into embroidery. If you're looking for a screen-free activity that builds fine motor skills and creativity, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for ages 7 to 13 who want a rewarding crafting experience. What people say. Lots of different animals to draw, and the step-by-step instructions are easy to follow. The examples start at the very basic of shapes and lead you through to the final rendering. The way this book approaches drawing, gradually expanding the detail on a few underlying shapes, actually helps kids see differently. Number 1. Craftiloo Pre-Stamped Embroidery Kit for Kids. Introducing a fun and simple way for children to explore the joy of embroidery. This kit is designed to make learning effortless and enjoyable from the very first stitch. Forget frustration. Our kits feature pre-stamped patterns in vibrant colors, making it easy for beginners to follow along. Every design is created to ensure a smooth and rewarding crafting experience. This complete set includes 10 unique pre-printed designs, colorful threads, hoops, needles, and threaders. We've included everything needed to begin their creative journey right away. More than just a craft, it's a skill builder. This activity enhances fine motor skills, sparks creativity, and teaches valuable patience, all while they create adorable projects. Looking for a unique gift or a fun screen-free activity? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, offering hours of engaging fun for ages 7 and up. We are committed to providing high-quality kits with easy-to-follow instructions and video tutorials. Learning this beautiful craft has never been simpler or more accessible. What we like. This embroidery kit simplifies the process with full-color pre-stamped patterns, making it frustration-free for beginners. If you want a complete package with easy-to-follow video guides, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for kids and adults who want to learn embroidery quickly and enjoyably. What people say. The fabric is thick, the instructions are well laid out, and the patterns are easy and color-coordinated to floss colors. It came with everything you need to get started, and it has varying levels of difficulty. Her mother especially appreciated the QR codes, which clearly showed how to make each stitch. The kit teaches so many stitches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.